you guys want to learn the English language. So guys, in this video is only for you. Yes guys, so in this video is very beneficial, very useful, very informative video. Today I'm gonna share you, and today I will share to you that how I practice English language at my home, at my house, at my room. How I practice English language. In this video I'm gonna share you every step, every step, how I practice the English language. In this video I'm going to share you. So first of all, if you just guys did not subscribe my channel, so first of all you all have to subscribe my channel. Because if you subscribe my channel, so my first videos notification will come in you, and you guys watch my video easily. So just guys, let's go to the topic. Topic is very simple, that how you can practice the English language, how I can practice the English language. So practicing the English language, it is very important. Yes, guys. Without the practice, as I also said in my lot of videos, that without the practice, the English language, you cannot learn. You cannot be the perfect English speaker. You cannot be the good English speaker without the practicing English language. First of all, if you want to practice the English language, so you have to just know the way that you can use to practice the English language. So first of all, now I will say to you that how I use to practice the English language. So first of all, I just make my habit. So what kinds of habit you have to make? You just have to make your own habit, that in this time, in this habit, you have to just you in this habit you like. So like saying, my habit is like that. In every time, in every free time, I just read the books. In every free time, I just take my highlighter. I just take two highlighter, one of yellow and one of red. I just highlight all of the books. So when you just do this thing at your home, so you easily gain the stock sentence, and after you gain the stock sentence, you can easily speak it. So now I will say a lot of video about this reading and writing. So now I will tell you the how you can learn the English language, how I practice English language. So first of all, I all time what I did in my home. So like thing all time I just watch mobile. In not at all, I just watch. I did not saw the reels. I did not scroll the reels. I did not scroll the short video. I just watch in English speaking video. Yes, guys. How I motivate myself, how to learn the English language and motivational speech. I just watch in my mobile, in my YouTube. Because all time, if you just listen the courses, the speeches in the another people, what they say, what they try to say. So as I take the guarantee, you can easily make your speaking skill better, as I take the guarantee. So first of all, think of one thing, that if you want to learn the English language is very easy. If you just did not want to learn the English language, some have the reason, some pressure, you have to do it, you have to do this thing. So you just leave it, because if you just learn, if you want to learn the English language by very seriously, if you just take the English language seriously, so be it will easily you can learn. So if you want to learn the English language like normal activities, so you cannot learn. So just English is very complicated language. If you just take it very easy, so you will be failure in your life. Just be serious in the English speaking. So as I say that English speaking nowadays, English speaking is surrounding us everywhere, every situation we have to face the English language. And our school also became English medium school nowadays also, because CBSE and NCERT rules is selecting. This is the thing. In this generation, this time, English language is very essential. Every people, whenever you go anywhere, whenever you go any country, you have to know the English language, because English language is one of the most important key that you can use everywhere. Yes, yes. The key English language is the key of your success. If you just did not learn the English language, if you did not know the English speaking, so you did not got job, as I take the guarantee. And if you just know the English language, so you can be something in your life, and you can do something in your life for your family members. So your father or mother, your parents also want to you that you do something in your life. You just know something and you do job. You just have to hire job. You will be something in your life. So just guys, this take English, don't take the English language easily. So now I will say to you that I also watch motivational speeches, motivational courses. I just read. And then the second thing, Second thing, what I did, second thing, I always speak in front of the mirror, in front of the camera, in front of the you all. I just make the video and I just speak the English language in front of the mirror. So whenever you just easily, whenever you just did this thing at your home, as I take the guarantee that guys, you can easily develop your English speaking. So whenever you just saw yourself in front of the camera, so you can realize and you can realize that you just did the conversation in another people. So whenever you just watch yourself in front of the camera, so it is very essential and your confidence level also grew up. So whenever you go anywhere to speak the English language, so in that moment you can easily face the problem. In that moment you can easily learn it. So that is the thing, and that's why I will practice. That's why I will practice the English language, and in this way I always practice the English language. And the third tips is like that. I also use courses in front of the in I also just have lots of courses. I also know lots of courses, so in these courses will help me to make my English speaking better. As I also say that without the courses you cannot learn the English language, you cannot be the good speaker without the courses. As I said that thing, like a courses will motivate yourself very much. As I take the guarantee, a courses is very useful for you. So courses is always motivate yourself. And if you just motivate yourself, you can motivate yourself. So it is very essential and it is very useful. Motivational thing is very useful and it will work in like a medicine. Yes, guys. One motivational word will always help you and always just use and it always work like a medicine. So like think, just guys, watch these motivational courses, watch these motivational speeches in mobile. Don't scroll the reels. You just if you just you just spend your time, you just lost your time by doing this all of the activity. Just you if you just guys watch, if you just guys watch to learn something new, so it is very essential for you in mobile. In this time internet is very important. In this time internet is very essential for us. Every people have the internet, so just guys use the internet for to learn something. So I hope you all understood that what is the thing that I also share my all of the thing how I practice the English language. To just make the video and just speak the English language in front of the mirror. If you did not have the mobile, you did not have the anything, if you did afraid to making the video, so in front of the camera, in front of the mirror, you can easily just speak. You just easily practice English language. So I hope you all understood what is the thing. So if you just like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, because if you just subscribe my channel, so far first video notification will come you and you guys watch my video easily. So guys, now bye bye.